Some say it is the comfort dish to end all comfort dishes.
Yep.
It either has a good publicist or the people have spoken, because today it's National Lasagna Day.
Give it up. Come on. We brought in an expert to help us celebrate, Chef Joelle La Rosa from Piccola Cucina Estiatorio. Am I screwing that up? Probably. Is showing us how to make a cheesy, flavorful lasagna that you can also make at home. Welcome, Chef. The publicists are nodding their head as if I did a good job just now. Thank you so much.
They did. Hi, Chef.
Thank
Hi,
you.
guys.
Hello, Chef. How are you? Thank you for being here.
Most Americans think of lasagna as a winter food. It is not winter right now.
So honestly, from where I'm from, this is a year-long.
Year-long?
Yeah, especially summer probably.
Really?
Because we go to the beach.
With a lasagna?
Of course.
In a Tupperware?
It's a very nice shareable with one full tray. You can feed a lot of people.
Okay.
You eat one piece of this and you are good for all day.
Okay. I'll try it.
A nice hot lasagna on a scalding beach.
I like it.
Hot, not hot,
Like a room
but you know, on the
temperature.
beach,
Yeah.
it's maybe hotter outside than the lasagna.
Yeah, that's
So
good.
it's
I
like.
suddenly want to talk like this.
Use your hands a lot.
Can we make one? Can you show us how to do it?
Let's show.
Let's make and
Oh,
talk.
yeah.
So we have a nice dough. Ben,
Okay.
I love you rolled some.
Thank you so much.
So give a nice push.
Nice push.
Then turn it and push it more.
Is there
With
something
all the
in
strength.
lasagna that, in order to make lasagna, what are like the necessities to make? Oh, this is lasagna versus this. This is like that's not lasagna.
So honestly, we are not very complicated about this.
Right.
I mean, if you go in the part like Bologna, it needs to be Bolognese style, meat, bechamel. This is the style we're using today.
Okay.
But you can do with vegetables, you can do with meat, with fish, you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Lasagna is pretty.
Ben, are you
Up to
okay
you.
over there?
I don't know.
You
Go,
look
go,
like
go.
you're
I don't
gonna
know.
So-
burst a blood vessel, my love. I don't want you to hurt
How
yourself.
flat are we going?
Like this.
Oh, come on.
Chef, quick question. People at home who are watching, who want to bring their lasagna to the beach,
So,
can they buy, is it okay if they buy the sheets already made?
Right.
I mean, it's very easy to do this. It's just eggs
I mean, have you
and
seen?
flour.
I'm having I'm
Okay.
having a moment here.
All right.
If you
Egg,
call
flour-
Ben, he's already ready to
doing it.
prepare it.
Right.
Okay, so you make your dough.
Why are you watching me? Why aren't you doing? Why I feel so judged right
He
now.
asked you first. He didn't
I am
ask
so
me.
judged.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you so
okay,
much.
chef. So you get the rectangles,
Yes.
and then what happens? What are we stuffing
Then
this
we
with?
put in our tray
Okay.
and we start.
What did you sprinkle? Is that Parmigiano?
It's a little Parmigiano since we make it fresh to
Okay.
not stick.
Oh, that's a good
It's
tip.
a nice trick to not make it stick.
Okay.
Hummus?
This is bechamel.
Oh, okay.
This is one of the mother sauce, the best one.
You like
So
that
we're
sauce?
layering.
It looks like cheese, but it's
Right.
not cheese.
Pasta. Now what?
So
Whatever you want.
honestly, I will start with bechamel.
Okay.
It's nice, creamy. Spread it how much you want.
What's bechamel?
Bechamel is just flour, milk,
Okay.
and butter.
Does that take the place of ricotta when you want to use ricotta instead?
So yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Okay.
Yeah, we do bechamel so it's creamy, it's not too much cheesy.
Right.
And you can use with anything over there. You can.
You did a
little
great
bit,
job, Ben.
A little more.
More? I'm gonna break the rolling pin, chef.
It's okay.
He has more. He has more. I have one layer of bechamel. Ahora que
Then we go for
carne.
that. Yeah.
This
for the-
is the guts.
This is bolognese.
Bolognese. Okay.
Put a lot of this,
Okay.
please.
Please, he said, like, don't mess this up.
I know, please.
And basically, you're just layering this, boom, boom, boom. How many layers?
Usually we do until the top of the tray.
Okay, until the top
So
of the until
when
the
you
top of
put
the
it
tray.
in the oven, then it's nice and out.
It looks like Jay Leno.
Oh, it actually
The
does.
chin.
Speaking of oven, what is the correct temperature to cook a lasagna?
So this you should put like 375,
For how long?
like half hour or so.
Okay.
But the nice tip is the last 10 minutes, after the 30 minutes, you
Well.
raise it up like 420, 430
So you
to
get-
make a nice crust on top.
Can
then
you
I
use
put in
fresh mozzarella, or is there too much moisture in that?
I don't see any mozzarella in this right
I know,
now.
but I love
I-
using the
So
mozz.
there is no mozzarella.
Not in
But
his.
Do you not like mozzarella in your lasagna?
Not in his.
We don't put mozzarella.
He doesn't
but,
put it in his. All right,
We
I'm
are
gonna.
very correct and
gonna
we
taste
accept
this
whatever you want to
I've
put in there.
insulted the chef.
You know what? I'm gonna separate you guys.
This is the
Chef, thank you so much.